Good morning, guys. Wow, yeah, it's morning. Sunday morning. We received this BOSCH, the new BOSCH machine here. I noticed on YouTube nobody did once a real good blog and reviewed the complete machine here. And let's do it. So we are doing now the review of the BOSCH mixer. First I need a cappuccino. Very good. Let's start. Hey guys, so unpacking of this box, BOSCH style mixer. I just googled DeepL, you know, that's my favorite translation machine, is saying as well in English. When you say that that is a mixer. So we have here 500 watt, super silent and not tox free. So it means the plastic is here not given and is not dangerous here for the foods that we are creating. We have different pieces here inside. One is here for nuts, onions, and different ice maker here, not maker, crusher here, as you can see. Different tools here that we will test, and then as well they properly give you then a good review on that side. So let's start with the unpacking. As usual, my Swiss knife, big tolerance. Let's open what's inside here. A lot of stuff. That's this ice crusher. Paperwork. Cube here. Find it out later on. Wow. There's two mixes here. Different one. My mom used this one. I don't know when and how she used it, but let's find it out. Paperwork. This kind of onion mixer, yeah, this one here. And finally, we have here the mixer from BOSCH. So that's the entry. Everything what's in the box. We'll give you guys a very good review. We're starting now cooking. I don't know, Amy, are you doing something? What are you doing today? Crepe. Oh yeah, like crepe. She's doing crepe with the BOSCH style here, and let's film it as well, and let's give you then an honest feedback. Thank you guys.
Steiger.
Just Amy showed me some details because we have two different styles here, and they go in two different places. this one is going here, and the other one is going on the left side when you see that from my camera. In principle, you can do nothing wrong here because there are two different pots to pull in, and that's as well for safety, as I'm assuming. Yeah. So we're doing what we are doing, Amy?
Crepes Soufflees.
Crepes Soufflees on French, of course, with a nice receipt that you will find them below in the description. Everything is prepared. The mixer is in Amy's hands, and let's go for it. As you can see, you can put everything normally in, like the old-fashioned one, and yeah,